Right, big news coming in from the national capital. The Sarai Kale Khan Chowk will now be known as the Birsa Munda Chowk. The name of the chowk near Delhi's ISBT terminal, Sarai Kale Khan bus stand, a very popular one, thronged by thousands of people, in fact, every day, has been changed to the Birsa Munda Chowk. It's the election season, after all, as well. But this is important, remember, because he's been an icon, and that's one of the references that have come in. I'm told that this is an announcement. Milan Sharma is joining me right now because Birsa Munda, remember, has been a tribal leader, freedom fighter from Jharkhand. Milan, go ahead. Very interesting that but Delhi Chowk to be named as Birsa Munda Chowk.
Yes, Pooja, well, this announcement has been made by Manohar Lal Khattar, who's the urban minister. And of course, you understand the meaning of naming this particular chowk to, tribal activist Birsa Munda's name on his 150th birth anniversary of the tribal leader. And of course, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had also, commemorated the day. And he had said that Lord Birsa Munda has sacrificed everything to protect the honor and pride and dignity of the motherland. And on the occasion of his birth anniversary, deepest respects are being offered to him. And therefore, it's going to have impact in a lot of these states that are, having tribal votes, whether it's Jharkhand or Maharashtra, both in fact. And currently, of course, this particular announcement has been made to make sure that, deepest respects are paid to this revered tribal leader. There. Back to you.
All right. Thank you very much for now, Milan. So, Birsa Munda Chowk here on at the ISBT, which is the bus terminal.